Then we are finished with a DKW engine. This has been built through the winter, and we have gone through the whole engine. Everything is taken apart and checked and fixed. We have changed all the bearings in the engine. We have trued the crankshaft, which after a lot of investigation, I assume that the crankshaft was part of the problem why the engine was not working properly. It was really out of true and made the bearings in the shaft starting to spin. So we have fixed that, done some nibbling, and used Loctite, a really strong Loctite, to fix the bearing, the outer ring of the bearing. And here is the finished result of the engine. The gearbox we torn apart and we changed the bearings, checked the gears. The gears was okay. We have rebuilt the clutch. Yeah, we have honed the cylinder, deburred the edges in the ports. Everything is glass blasted and vapor blasted. And we have made some new caps here for the exhaust flow. I made an episode about that. We did some brass casting, quite interesting, never done it before, and the result is quite good, I think. Yeah, the head is really nice. We have taken all the bolts off and hand filed them and oil treated the bolts on the engine, so those are black. The other bolts are nickel plated. We done that ourselves as well. We rebuilt the engine with electronic ignition. The old ignition was broken anyway, so then it was easier to replace it with an electronic ignition. I think the result is really good. We can show with the carburetor on. The carburetor is also rebuilt. Some nice brass details on the carb as well. Goes very good along with the other brass details on the bike. Yeah. All in all, it's a really pretty engine, I would say.